Section 1.3 Additional Rules for Pronunciation. Rule number 1. If a word ends with V, C, F, K, L, Q, or R, these letters are voiced. That is, you must pronounce them. For example, avec, neuf, l'hôtel, l'hôpital, cinq, l'hiver. Rule number 2. For words ending in other consonants, these letters are considered silent or unvoiced. That is, you cannot pronounce them. For example, le sport, délicieux, nous finissons, j'ai grandi, le pont, un aéroport, champ, je suis. Rule number 3. If a word ends with an E, then it is almost never pronounced. For example, être, faire, je parle, le livre, les vacances, on demande, ils viennent, la gare, 60. Rule number 4. The 9 single-syllable words ending with an E are often written in contractions. In French, this is called l'élision. For example, je ai, j'ai, ce est, c'est, le accident, l'accident. Exceptions: de le, du, de les, des. Note: Number 1. If a word beginning with an H is followed by the above words, you should determine if the first letter in the vocabulary is aspirated H or muted H. If the word begins with an aspirated H, contractions are not allowed. However, if the word starts with a muted H, contractions are a must. Number 2. There is no particular rule for aspirated H and muted H in French. You have to memorize the pattern case by case. In the next section, we'll move on to liaison rules. See you in the next video.